Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a beginner-friendly method to do Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And yes, this is available worldwide. And actually I'm going to show you a free robot, a free software that will do much of the work for you, so you don't have to do too much work. And to be honest with you, this method requires some time and some work, but if you stay consistent, you will see results. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, you can successfully apply this method on ClickBank, on JVZoo, on Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I am going to use Digistore24. So next thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche. And let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And you need to research all of these products on first page, on second, third, fourth, fifth page in order to find the best products for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, custom keto diet. Here you can see I can earn 29 euros per sale. So what I need to do, I need to simply click here and I copied my Digistore24 affiliate link and I'm actually going to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that later. So next thing you need to do, you need to do a keyword research. Now for that, if you can use one of those paid tools like Ahrefs, that is by far best option. But if you can't, if you're a beginner and you don't have money to invest, then you can use Ubersuggest or Ahrefs free keyword generator. And what you need to do, you need to simply type here, because we are going to promote custom keto diet. So I will simply copy keto diet here and I'm going to paste it here, okay? Click here, find keywords, confirm that I'm not a robot, give it a second and here you can see results. Keto diet. 93 keyword difficulty, 474,000 people search this keyword every month in United States. But like I said, keyword difficulty is 93, it is red, which means this is almost a maximum difficulty. So, but when we go through these keywords here, we will see keto diet pills. Here you can see keyword difficulty is only 13 and it is green. And here you can see 17,000 people search this keyword every month in United States alone, which is a good keyword search volume, okay? So now when I have my keyword, the next thing I need to do, I need to write an article. Now I understand that many of you are beginners and you are not good at writing articles. So what you can do is, you can actually go on a website called The Writer. And here you can see these guys have 3 plans. And what you can do is you can register for a free plan. And here you can see you can generate 5,000 characters every month with the free plan. Now for the beginning, that is enough. Later you can switch to one of these paid plans. And after you register for a free account, you will come to your dashboard. And what you need to do, you need to click here in upper right corner on Start Writing. And here you need to choose the language. Now I choose English, but you can choose one of these languages here. Convincing, I will just choose it convincing, okay. Blog idea, here you can see blog idea outline, blog section, brand name, business idea, and so on and so on. I will leave it as a blog idea outline. And here you need to add your primary keyword. Now this is my primary keyword. Should you use keto diet pills? Questions are always good in title. Here you can choose number of variations. I will leave it as a 1. Creativity level, I will leave it as optimal. And when I click here, write for me, it will automatically start writing this article for me. So I don't have to write this article by myself. Now this may take a few seconds depending on how complicated this article is. Here you can see keto diet pills, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now this is a catchy title, right? And here you can see outlines for each of these points. Here are the bullet points. And here you can see keyword, okay, but how do I actually write a paragraph for this bullet point? So what I need to do, I simply need to highlight this. And here you can see command, improve, paraphrase, paragraph, continue writing. So when I click here on paragraph, it will automatically start writing a paragraph for this bullet point, as you can see here. And if I wish to continue writing, what I can do, I can simply highlight everything here and I can continue, click here, continue writing. and it will automatically continue writing. As you can see, it is writing automatically this article, this paragraph here for me. And if you wish even more text, same thing, just highlight this and then click here, continue writing, and it will continue writing. And you can do exactly the same for this bullet point here. Again, just click here on paragraph, and it will automatically write another paragraph of your article. So next thing you need to do when you have your article, you need to go on Canva, and here you need to choose PDF. Click here on PDF to get a PDF template. Now you don't have to use their templates, but I find that it's much easier if you actually use templates. So all you have to do is just choose one of these templates here. As you can see, they have lots of available templates. So let me just find one of these templates. Okay, so let's say I wish to use this template here. All I have to do is just click here on this template, and it will take me automatically to this template. And now I need to add actually my title, because this will be my ebook. We are creating a short ebook. So I will go back here on Writer, and I'm going to copy my title, because this is the title of my ebook. And I'm going to paste that here, okay? And here I need to change this image. So what you can do is you can simply click here on pixels, and here I will type keto, okay? Keto, and then press enter, and here I can find keto related royalty free images. So let me choose one of these photos, one of these images. So for example, let's just say this one here, okay? And I will make this fit, okay? You see, this is now my image. Now here you can see, so let me just enlarge this a bit, okay? Swipe for more info, I will leave that. Here you can change this if you want, the ultimate guide to time management apps. So I will actually change this ultimate guide to keto diet, okay? Here you can see ultimate guide to keto diet, okay? So I actually need to change this. I will actually delete that. So I will simply here, okay? And now I need to add my article. I need to add text. Simply click here on this plus, and I added a new page. So go back here on Writer, and I'm going to copy my paragraph, okay? Go back here and click here on T for text and choose one of these text styles. So for example, let's just say I will choose this one here, and I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to paste my article, and I'm going to actually make this smaller, and okay, I will make it even smaller, and I will make this wider, okay, to make it fit to my template, okay? As you can see, this text is still too big, so what I need to do, I simply need to highlight everything here, okay? And let's just say 15. And okay, now that is too small, so I will actually make this large. And here you can see, so what I need to do, I will actually press enter, and I'm going to make this bold, okay? Bold, because this is my bullet point, and actually I'm going to increase that a bit, okay, 35, and here you can see this is my article. So you are probably wondering right now, well, how do you actually make money with this? How do you promote your affiliate products? So what I need to do next is I again need to click here, and I'm going to click here, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to say something like click here to get custom keto diet plan, okay? And I'm going to make this smaller, okay? Wider and smaller, okay? Something like this, okay? And make this wider. Okay, and I'm going to move this here. And what I need to do next, I need to add my affiliate link, my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I will simply copy this, okay, Control C, go back here, and what I need to do, I need to highlight this, then click here on these three dots, and then click here on this little chain, and I'm going to paste my link and press enter. So now, as you can see, link added. So now when someone click here, it will automatically take them to the sales page of custom keto diet. And if they buy this product, I am going to earn 29 euros per sale. So what you need to do next, you need to click here on add a page and go back on writer, and you need to add this paragraph here, okay, Control C, and again, just click here and you are going to delete this, okay, paste it here, make this wider, okay, like this, and I will make this 30, okay, and again, like I said, this is my bullet point, so I will make this bold, just like this, and I'm going to make this larger, okay, and same thing, you need to add your call to action here on the bottom, and you need to add your Digistore24 affiliate link in this case, and like I said, you need to go back here and you need to write paragraph for each of these bullet points, and you need to add an outro, and after you finish everything here, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then you need to click here on download, and you need to choose here PDF standard, okay, PDF standard, and click here download, give it a few seconds, and you will download this ebook to your desktop. And this is how my ebook looks. As you can see, this is my ebook. It looks pretty nice. And when I scroll here, this is my link. As you can see, it is clickable. So if someone click on this link, it will take them to the sales page of custom keto diet. And if they buy that product, I'm going to earn an affiliate commission. So next thing you need to do, you need to start using this ebook to start getting traffic, to start getting clicks on your affiliate link. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called SlideShare, and you need to upload that ebook here. And here you can see some of the ebooks here are getting thousands and thousands of views. So what you need to do, you need to register for a free account, and after that, click here on upload in order to upload your ebook. So click here and find the ebook. This is the ebook. So obviously, first thing I need to do, I need to add title. Now this is really important. Your title and description and tags should contain your main keyword. In this case, it is keto diet pills, because SlideShare has a huge authority on Google, and it is very much possible that you can actually rank this ebook on first page on Google, because competition is not that big, it's not that strong, and you will start getting views from Google and also from SlideShare. So basically, I will simply go back here on writer, and I'm going to copy this, okay, Control C, go back on SlideShare, and I'm going to paste it here. And I need to add description, again I will go back here, and I will simply copy this, okay, and I'm going to paste that as a description, and here I need to add tags, so I will say keto diet pills, okay, that is my first tag, and like I said, I will add, for example, keto diet, that is my second, and like I said, you need to add your main keyword in the title, in the description, and in the tags, and you need to choose a category. So let me just find the right category for this. Let's just say, for this example, health and medicine, public, and then click here on publish, and you will publish this ebook on SlideShare. And like I said, you can get traffic from Google if you did a good keyword research, and you can also get from SlideShare. And to get even more traffic, what you need to do, you need to find more similar websites like SlideShare, and you need to upload that ebook there as well. So you can go on Scribd and upload your ebook there. You can also go on PDF Coffee. You need to go on Calameo. You can also go on Google and search for sites like SlideShare. And when you scroll here, you will see, for example, top 76 similar websites like slideshare.net and alternatives. And when you come here, you will see, okay, you will see Scribd. You will see here researchgate.net, you will see Blogspot, you will see academia.edu, and so on and so on. And you need to upload your ebook that contains your Digistore24 affiliate link, in this case, in all of these websites here. Share it all on all of them, and you will start getting traffic. And you need to upload ebooks every week. In that way, you will start getting traffic, you will start getting clicks, and you will start making sales. So this is beginner-friendly method to do Digistore24 affiliate marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.